Okay, yep, we back with part two, y'all. Bow, bow. All right, let's get into it. So we left off after our designing, and this is what we have. Don't look like a balloon, like a graduation balloon. Anyway, we're gonna make it work. So I am using my serger, and I have a Brother 1034DX. Um, I set it to 3433, and I have my attachment so I can just gather. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and gather the entire circle, and I'm going to use again my serger, and I'm going to go all the way around, and I'm speed the video up. Now when you're serging, if you have any pieces that don't grab or gather, don't worry, because you can always clip them and have them ready. This is a very forgiving project, and yeah, so we're going to clip the tail in, and I like gathering here because I don't have to worry about frayed edges and stuff like that. It can be gathered on a regular machine as well. I think I'm going to start doing some of those as well, but we here. So for my headband, I'm going to use some of my leftover fabric from my dress video that I did, and it is up here. But anyway, this time I'm going to do a band that is, I think I did 5.5 by like 19. I did 19 inches because this one is very stretchy. So with that being said, like, it can get on my big head, it can get on anybody's head. So I took extra off. And here I am just measuring my 19 inches across. And that is the side I'm going to cut on. And of course, this is folded. That way, when I serge it, I only have to serge one side. As you can see, it's really, really stretchy. So yeah, I'm going to take this and I'm going to stitch this down. Okay, clip that. And then what we're going to do, because basically this is the headband, I'm going to, well, I had to take a few, it was a little uneven, so I had to fix it a little bit. But either way, when I run it through the serger, it's going to clean all those edges up. But that's just me being extra. So yeah, we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to fold it so the good sides are on the outside. And then I'm going to take maybe like 2 clips to pin it together. I don't have a lot of clips. I have no idea what happened to all my clips, but let's work. So what we can do is, once I put like 1 or 2, generally I like to put 4 because I like to do both sides and then like front and back. But this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and pin those in place, and this is where the fun begins. I'm basically, I don't want to say I'm bunching up the satin, but I guess you can say pleating it. Yeah, we can work with pleating. So basically, to make everything fit all around the entire bonnet, that way when you sew it, you know, the headband is basically the star of the show. Everything else is secondary. So as long as the headband fits, the rest should fit around your head. Okay, so I did not have enough to do the entire thing because I normally load it up with pins. So here I'm going to do half, well, 3/4 of it. And I'm going to go ahead and start serging it. And I'm going to go around it. And as I go around it, I'm going to remove my clips while I work. Okay, I'm going to clip that thing off. And I can fold it forward to see the progress so far. If you have any areas where you see like the black thread, I'm using black because I didn't feel like changing it out. But anyway, you can always go around it again. That's why I always kind of make my headband a size that, okay, if I need to go back in and take 1/4 back off, I'll be able to survive that. So yeah, I'm clipping the rest of it, and I guess you could say pleating it into place because now I have more clips available. I'm gonna have to add my P.O. box because I know it's gonna be a judgmental person. You can send me some clips, okay? But anyway, yeah, so now I'm going to take it and put it back on my machine, and I'm going to go and serge that part that I did not get a chance to. And honestly, I think I'm going to go around it one more time, make sure everything is even, and I'm going to make sure I sew away from it. The edge. This last sew is to finish what I started and also make sure I don't have anything that will show on the perimeter. So again, this is my finishing touches, and that's pretty much it. Once I finish that, the project is complete. But again, I don't want it looking janky to where you can see any type of fabric between the headband and the satin, if you get it. I don't want to see no black in the middle, in the cracks. So anyway, I always inspect it to make sure it's the way I want it to look, because we want to give looks. Yeah, that was it. So now I'm going to try it on, and the reason why I made this one because when Father's Day come around, I generally get a little sad, but I decided to channel that energy into creating something that would be really cute and comfortable to wear around the house. I will be making a different one, and I will be adding more pictures of my dad, my stepdad, my grandfather. Yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.